A very warm welcome from Schruns, where Tech Day, Germany, Austria and Swiss 2026 took place at Hotel Taub under the motto, Growing Together. The morning focused entirely on concentrated expertise. Following the opening, we dove deep into the basics of high voltage and high current measurement with Florian Ottel, followed by Dietrich Sollmann's insights into system integration using C# and Python, and Jörg Hampel's demo of GI hardware in LabVIEW. After a brief networking break, we continued with Michael Tassler, who highlighted the pitfalls of power measurement on inverters, while Sebastian Schörner from CSEM presented integrated EIS solutions. Clemens Meyer demonstrated seamless Gantner integration in K and S, before Lukas Mitterer from RWTH Aachen concluded the morning with innovative sustainable battery packs. After the move to Gantner HQ, it was time for hands-on in the demo sessions. From precise quiescent current tests to efficiency checks with the power analyzer and massive stress tests with Q-core and wireless sensors. With live electrochemical impedance spectroscopy measurements in GI Bench and an exclusive look at the future roadmap of Gantner Instruments, a day of tech highlights concluded. Thank you for joining us. We look forward to growing together with our partners in the future. Details on upcoming Gantner events can be found at the link provided below.